Hello you guys, this is me, king.a.my.castle. I just wanted to quickly show you what I have bought myself for birthday and also what I got my friend for a birthday. So last week I had a birthday. Me and my friend went to London. So I got some money from my family. So I've decided I'm gonna buy a few bits and pieces. We went out for a drink. We had a great time. We visited a few shops. We went to Camden Market. But basically, I've bought a few bits and bobs. I also went to Bournemouth. And because we in Southampton, we don't have a house of Fraser, so I went to Bournemouth and bought some things in there. And I've also got some things for my friend's birthday because it was also her birthday. She had like birthday like 2 weeks after my birthday. So I just wanted to show you a few birthday ideas that maybe can inspire to get great gifts for your friends. So I'm gonna start probably with a Hard Rock Cafe shopping. So Hard Rock Cafe they usually never have sales. At least I don't know that they have sales. I've never seen them. So I've bought a few bits and bobs that I always wanted to buy, but it was just never, I just never had an occasion. I always thought they were a bit pricey. So the first thing that I've bought was the t-shirt that looks like that. Like that. So that's the t-shirt. You've got a little bit of that necklace in here. So that's Hard Rock, and it was £20. So that's expensive, but it was £20. But I think it was £27 before it was discounted to £20. Another t-shirt that I've got was the sleeveless t-shirt that looks like that. Wait. Sleeveless t-shirt that looks like that. You've got a heart of Hard Rock in there. Is it heart? Yeah, you've got a so there's a heart and there is a rose with a Hard Rock cafe in it. And that t-shirt was £8, so way cheaper than the other t-shirt. It was discounted from 27 to £8, so bargain. So when I went to Berlin a year and a half and 6 months ago, I went to Hard Rock Cafe in there and I saw this beautiful teddy bear and I thought I need to have it. So this is a teddy bear. So it's got a guitar. It plays the music when you... That's the teddy bear. The teddy bear was a bit expensive because I think he was... Wait, still got a price tag on. No, that's euros. I think it was 32. It was around £30. Yeah, and it plays the music as you saw. Yeah, and I always wanted to have it because I love teddy bears and I wanted to have that teddy bear as well because it plays the music. So I'm like, yes, please. I also got the beer opener in the shape of the drumstick, and I think that was a £5. It was also on sale, so that was a £5. You've got London, you've got Hard Rock Cafe on the other side, so that's a beer opener in the shape of a drumstick. I also got a pin that was discounted from £8 to £3, and it looks like that. It's like a guitar / Piccadilly Circus / UK's flag, Union Jack. And I forgot to say that we went to Hard Rock Cafe in Piccadilly Circus because you've got two Hard Rocks. There's one in Piccadilly Circus, there's another one somewhere else. I don't remember the street, but there's one like close to Buckingham Palace. And I also got those stickers that you can, I've got them on my laptop. So one is just a classic Hard Rock Cafe, and another one is Hard Rock Cafe Lips, and I've put them on my laptop. So that's pretty much everything from Hard Rock Cafe. Then we obviously went for a dinner. And because I have spent the certain amount of money in Hard Rock Cafe, they offered, there was an offer in Hard Rock Cafe that you can buy a backpack for I think £12, and that's the backpack. And the good thing about this is, and what actually convinced me to buy it is, so you can just basically turn it into that small little bag. And yeah, it was £12 because it was 50%. It's normally £24. And it's got all those like Hard Rock signs and stuff all over the place. So then you can just put it in your bag. And if you need a bigger backpack, you can just unfold it and use it as a backpack. So that is it for the Hard Rock Cafe. Oh yeah, and then we visited, no, before we went to Hard Rock Cafe, actually, we visited Camden Market. And the first time, a few years ago, when I went to Camden Market, I saw that it's one of my favorite shops. It's Cyber Dog, and I love that shop. If you love clubbing, if you like sort of like neon stuff, then Cyberdog is for you. It's a great place to visit. Like, I love Cyberdog. I think it's one of my favorite shops. And in that shop, I have bought actually a, because I didn't want to, like, I didn't see anything like, there was a lot of interesting things, but nothing that I personally wanted to buy. So normally I buy loads of things in there, but at this time I didn't see that many things that I would buy. And they had those headphones on sale with the donuts on. I threw away the package already, but they were £12. Let me just demonstrate. So I've bought these headphones. Oh my god, I can't hear myself. So I bought these headphones, and they're actually very good, because now when I'm talking I can't hear what I'm saying. So I'm gonna take them off. So that's what they look like. They were £12 as well. And now we're gonna move on to the stuff that I have bought for my friend. So obviously when I went shopping to get my friend some birthday gifts, I also had to buy a few things for myself. So first of all, I went to Tiger, and I saw this amazing cup. Saw this funny cup with the titties on. Oh, sorry, that's the titties. So these are the titties. So that cup was £3, and I think, yeah, it was £3, and I love the pattern. There were different colors and there were different shape of those boobies in here, but yeah. So that's what's up. And when I went to Tiger, I saw the bins in Tiger. They're like bathroom bins, but they were only £2. And I always have loads of rubbish in my bedroom and by my desk, because I always either snack in here or I do use a lot of stationery, so I always need a bin. And I thought I'm gonna buy this bin because it's cheap and it looks very, very nice. I really like the way it looks. Like, it looks very neat. Like, it doesn't look like it's just a box, literally. I love the color. It's very nice. It's very easy to use, so I love that. And also when I went to Tiger, oh my god, I took it straight away. I saw this fan for £3 and I took it straight away. It was literally the last piece that they had, and I had to take it straight away because I know if I'm gonna think about this, it's gonna be gone by the time I'll decide to buy it. The Tiger has loads and loads of pots, so I love this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it for a plant, but I'm probably gonna use it for my pens or my brushes, and I love it. And it was also £3. And then I went to Oliver Bonus. They have some unusual stuff in there, and it was, I saw this like a card holder, is that what it's called, with an N. My friend's name is Naomi, so I thought I'm gonna buy her that card holder. It's velvet. Oh my god, I hope she doesn't mind velvet, because I know a lot of people hate it. So it's got that velvet, it's got lovely color, lovely N on it. I thought, okay, I'm gonna get it for her because I think she doesn't have it. But you know, when you go out for parties and you paying with a card, I think it's really useful to have something like this. So I think she's gonna love it. So that's one thing. When I was in London, it wasn't that time, but when I was in London before my birthday, so I went for like a photo shoot, and I went to the other stories and they had those gift sets. So I've bought her the nail varnish. I know a lot of people don't use nail varnishes these days, but I really love the color, the red and the glitter, and I thought it was going to be a great like a great gift set, and that one was £11. Also, when I went to Bournemouth, I visited, sorry, it's in a lash back, but that's because of the present from my friend. So I think they're closing House of Fraser's in there, and we don't have House of Fraser in Southampton. So I went to House of Fraser in Bournemouth, and I've bought a few products, and I think they're all selling them out because either those lines are not they're being discontinued. Those lines, like the products that I've bought, those products are being either discontinued or House of Fraser is closing. So I bought a few products that I always wanted to have, and they were on sale. So the first thing in here is YSL, oh, hang on a second, Fusion Ink Foundation, and it's discounted to £18. And I'm just gonna show you the bottle. And it looks like that. It does have a little cork, and I think it does have a little applicator in there. But yeah, there was no testers, but I can sort of, I've bought so many foundations in my life, I can sort of figure out which is the perfect color. Another thing from YSL is a lipstick, but it's more of a lip balm. And I never had YSL lipsticks. I thought this is now or never. And I've bought one in the color of red. And it's got a little heart in this. I'm like, I must have it. There were also orange and pink color. And my shade is Lunatic Red. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it because my camera doesn't focus very well. And YSL is, my YSL foundation is in shade B10. And another lipstick that I've bought is from Guerlain. And it's in 070, it's the Le Petit Robe Noir. I hope I read this correctly. And the shade is 071 Cashmere Hood. And it looks like that. By the way, I love the packaging. And the color is just nude. So I love this product. Oh, sorry, the Guerlain lipstick is 1610. And the YSL lipstick is £15. So that's the products that I've bought in House of Fraser. Another thing that I've bought her that is one of my favorites is is a Lush bath bomb. I don't have a bath bomb I don't have a bath personally, so I always envy people who have a bath and can buy all those fancy lash baths, lash bath bombs. And I saw this one, and I thought it looks like a lollipop or an ice cream, and it's in the shape of like grapes or something. I love it. And I also bought this little box for it because it doesn't normally comes in the box. And that one is a tiger, and the box was £150, and I think a bath bomb was £5.59. And I just bought her like a birthday card. I think I showed you those cards in my paper chase haul, but basically I used one of those for her now, so that's what's up. And I've just bought her some, and I just used some stickers as well. So that's the paper chase card that I showed you in one of my paper chase hauls. Okay, so that's her present. That bag, I've got it in accessories because it was on sale for 90p, and I just love the colors. It's really cute. So that is it for the haul. I hope I don't have much time because I need to go to work, but I hope it all makes sense and you didn't get confused by what I've bought. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you're gonna have a lovely day. I hope I inspired you to get some gifts and presents. Yeah, so thank you very much, and I hope you're gonna have a great day. Bye.